Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We made it to Daytona last night. This thing is absolutely trashed. The worst I've ever seen these wheels for sure. The truck, not too bad. We drove through a bunch of rain. Look at this. Oh my God, they don't even look polished. This thing is disgusting. So we are running to a car wash right now. Gonna clean this thing up as best as I can. And then we're just gonna cruise around, hit the beach all day. And we got some pictures scheduled later today, so I will throw some video of that in here, and then we're just gonna see what's popping off at the beach and with all the trucks, so stay tuned. Check this out, we're on the beach here in Daytona. The truck looks nasty in the sand. Literally pulled on the beach and almost got stuck. I had to drop her down in 4. God, this thing looks so good, cleaned up. Oh my God, it looks good with the sand on the tires. Bringing her back to her roots. This is a Florida truck from the beginning. I love it. We're just gonna walk around and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some nasty trucks out here on the beach. Stay tuned. Because it's going crazy, everything at Daytona, and then there's stuff that happens and then you put away the camera and then can't get it out fast enough or whatever. So I'm gonna try to do my best this afternoon and tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to the show. Right now I'm meeting the guys at Mach1 Media for some pictures of this thing. Finally gonna get some good pictures of this thing. I'm paying to have it done right. Mach1 Media is a super well-known Instagram page for truck pictures and different cars and whatever. So I want to get it done right, get some really good pictures of this thing while it looks good at Daytona, and then I want to get some posters made for probably my garage or somewhere at my house. That was like one of my goals to do, get some really good pictures made of my truck completely finished the way I wanted it to look, and just something really cool I finally get to do, so I'm super excited about this. Stay tuned. When they're done, I'll have you turn on. Out here shooting with Hayden Burchett Photography, Mach1 Tuck, Mach1 John Dog. What's up? At some abandoned gas station. So we were scheduled to shoot this truck earlier today. They actually got a flat tire in one of their cars doing some rolling shots with another truck. Big old Dodge. They were shooting rollers with another truck and ended up getting a flat tire or a puncture in their tire, so we had to reschedule, but these guys were super cool to deal with. Ended up doing a sunset photo shoot. I'll throw all their Instagrams down below, and stay tuned for some more Daytona stuff going on tonight. What up, YouTube? I don't know, just walk around it while I'm driving.
All right,
just do something cool. Yeah. Are you kidding me? This thing looks so good, cleaned up. Oh my God, it looks good with the sand.